Hi, this is Ken. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about apples today. Portland Nursery usually does our big apple tasting festival, and obviously in the age of COVID, big festivals aren't a great idea. We did still, however, want to buy fruit from our growers and support them, get them through these hard times. And we know that a lot of our friends and neighbors do rely on the nursery for all those great heirloom varieties, things that's hard to find at the grocery store, and we want to be here for you. So what we are going to do this year is, rather than have one big festival with everything here at once, we're going to bring fruit in as it ripens. There's actually a very long season of harvest. So as you see, there are apple varieties that are really early, and those are coming off the trees right now. And some varieties are going to be picked right up into the end of October, sometimes even into November. And since our festival is usually earlier than that, those varieties will be riper and maybe a little bit more flavorful and true to their best selves when we're selling them after the time when the festival is usually over. A couple of things we have today would be the Bartlett, the very, very early pear, one that's really sweet, really easygoing, can be ripened on the counter. We've got a sweet mystery apple that our growers are thinking about planting more of, and they just wanted a little bit of feedback on what we thought of it first. And we do have some ginger gold apples back there, which is a lovely early apple with excellent flavor. We keep those for the festival some years, but actually picked fresh like this, they're firmer. They've got a little bit more of a sweet balanced with some acid, and taste a whole lot better now than they would later in the season. We are going to be selling fruit at not only our location this year, but at 9000 Southeast Division as well, our sister store. Just to give people a little bit more opportunity to spread everything out a little bit. And all the fruit will be 99 cents a pound this year. We're going back a few years on the pricing, just in consideration of tough times that everybody's going through, and to help you stretch your money just a little bit further. So you can check weekly, give us a call, and we can tell you what we have. You can also check our website, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and keep up with the varieties. Thanks so much. Y'all take care out there.